Hello, welcome back to Doodle Studio. Today we're gonna be drawing a cute cat. We're also gonna color him and add a lot of detail with this one. So sit back and relax and let's draw something good together. So first, I want you to draw a curved line like this. And then we're gonna continue with the ears. It's just a triangle, but don't complete it. Then we're gonna draw a curved line to outline his head. And then after that, we're gonna draw his other ear like this. Okay, now our head is almost finished. Okay, now we're gonna draw the rest of it by drawing a line here and a little curved line there. And then his leg going down and curving. And then his belly with another leg going curving like that, going up. Okay, let's extend that a bit. Now we have a shape. Next, we're gonna draw his back until his butt. And then draw one line here and a curved line there going towards his back to finish his leg and connect them all together. Okay, now let's just draw a line there to connect everything. And draw his toes, just lines like this and like this. Okay. Now our cat shape is finished. Next we're gonna do the tail. You can do whatever you want for the tail. So I'm going with the basic design like this. Just make sure the proportion, the tip of the tail is bigger. Now let's draw some spots. For the spots, you can do whatever you like. So I'm just doing a rough sketch of my cat actually. So he looks like a tiger, so I'm going with that tiger look. Then let's draw his chin to separate the head from the body. Very important. And then more spots at the top. Now our shape is finished. Let's do the nose this time, which is just an upside down triangle. And then draw a line to connect his lip to the nose. Like this. And I want to draw his mouth open like that, so I just did a little triangle over there. Okay, you can do whatever you want. Keep it close, make it a square, make it a circle, anything is fine. Next is the eyes, so I chose the rectangular design like this. And we're just gonna shade it like this. Don't worry if it's too black for you, we'll fix it later. And then the other eye, another rectangular shape like this. Now our cat sketch is almost finished, but I want to fix the eyes a bit. So let me just clean it up to make it more rectangular. Now we're gonna draw some whites over here to give life to our cat's eyes. Now for the shape of the eyes, you can do circles, you can do triangles if you want, but I find the square to be a little more of my style. Remember, this is your drawing. Be creative. Okay, now our cat is finished. So let me just fix a little bit. Like I said, I want it to be my cat. You can make him fatter, you can make him thinner. So I chose this design. Just like my cat. My cat is a little fat actually. I feed him so much. But now that our cat is finished, we're gonna color him next. Now you can choose whatever color you want for your cat. You can do an Oreo color. You can do orange. But I'm gonna follow what my cat's color is. So he's a little brownish like this. So what we're going to do next, just like every time, is to follow the outlines like this. Let me just time-lapse it to save time. Like this. Now that the outline is finished, I want you to get your big brush and color the whole body like this. Let me just time-lapse it. Don't forget the tail. And we're finishing up with the tail here. After this, we're gonna do a little bit of detail. Okay? So, choose whatever you want for the detailing. For me, I'm gonna color the spots with a darkish brown color, and his belly, another darkish brown color for our cute little cat. Now let's just color the rest of the spots like this. Now I want you to comment what color is your cat if you have one. If you don't have one, what color of cat do you want? Okay, now that our cat is colored, let's try to add a bit of detail to our cat. So again, we'll do some shadowing. So just by the ears, I want you to get that darkish brown, depending on the color of your cat. Since my cat is brown, I'm choosing darkish brown. If your cat is like blue, choose a darker blue shade. Okay, so that's the technique of shading. Just choose a darker variant of your primary color. So let me just finish everything up like this on a time lapse. And just like in our other drawings, we're gonna change the outlines into the primary color. Since my cat's color is brownish, I'm gonna choose brown like this. And let me just time lapse the rest. And then we're gonna finish with his eyes. I'm gonna turn it brownish as well to follow with the aesthetic of our drawing. Don't forget to color the mouth. And let me just fix up everything else like this. And we're almost done. And here we go. Let me just make it smaller. And finally, our cat is finished. I changed the outline to a little lighter brown to give it that lighting effect. Okay? So if you like my drawing, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you again in another drawing section next time. See you!